Hey, Eris.
Yeah.
What are we trying? We have the Jurassic Smash Blizzard. It has chocolate chip cookie dough and peanut butter cookies in there. And a blizzard all mixed together. All right, give it a try. And we chose the mini size because even the small is like huge for you. You know that? So that's a good size. So what do you think?
Good.
Do you like the cookies in there?
Uh-huh.
Try one cookie. They're cubes, say cookie cubes. There's one right there. Grab that one. Yeah. Oh. There you go. What do you think? A square cookie? Square cookies?
It's good.
It's good?
Hey, what does it taste like?
What's it taste like?
The taste.
Hey, it tastes like the taste? I mean, what's the best part?
The taste.
Yeah, it is. Say Jurassic Smash, people. It's pretty good. And say if you're on a diet, you can get a mini.
If you're on a diet, you get a mini.
It's the perfect size, and it has little dinosaur teeth. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh yeah. Ice cream!
Adios.
Adios!
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego!
Blow a kiss.
Blow a kiss. Hey, ice cream lips. Bye what?
Bye, ice cream tube.
Bye ice cream tube. Blah 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 blah.
Blah, 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 blah.
Blah.